Importing tab-delimited files on Windows. To import tab-delimited files into EndNote, I start from my Microsoft Excel file. I insert 2 rows at the top of the document. In the top left cell, I type an asterisk with the word generic right next to it. This will let me import different types of references. In the second row, I add the EndNote generic field names. They must be the generic field names to import more than one reference type. Author names should be entered last name, comma, first name. For cells with line breaks in them, use Find and Replace to replace the line breaks with 2 slashes. Type Ctrl-J or use the keypad to type Alt-010 into the Find field to create a line break character. Nothing shows on the screen. The character is hidden. There must not be any tabs or line breaks in the cells. If there are line breaks in the cells, they will be seen as the end of a record. If there are tabs, they will be seen as a field delimiter, and data will end up in the wrong field. I save the data as a tab-delimited text file. I close the Excel file and open the tab-delimited file in Microsoft Word. I show all hidden character marks, such as paragraph marks or tabs. In the first line, I delete all the tabs after generic up to the paragraph break. I see that some of the fields have been enclosed in double quotation marks. I don't want those to come into my records, so I need to replace each double quotation mark with nothing, using Find and Replace. Now I save this again as a plain text file using the File, then Save As command. I choose Unicode UTF-8 encoding for the text file. I close the Word document. In EndNote, I select Import from the File menu, then select File. I click Choose to locate and select the file that was saved from Word. I choose Tab-Delimited as the import option. I click Import to import the references.